Hey guys, welcome to week 5. I cannot believe we are here already. You are all doing a really good job. I'm going to wrap up final grades here in just a minute for the previous week, week 4. Just wanted to make a note about this week. Once again, you're popping into someone's class and you're going to look at the assessment and feedback that they've developed and reflect on that and make some comments in the discussion. And then the second assignment is really just to go back through your own course, make any tweaks that you feel are necessary for the assets that you've built. So your pre-learning, your monitoring, your learning activities, feedback and assessment, and just make any tweaks that you feel are important, and then we'll wrap it up there. Again, I do not expect you to have a completely built out Canvas course in just this short amount of time. I'm really looking for you to link together the pre-assessment and the learning activities and those things just so you can kind of see how it all fits and just get some experience and look at how other people are doing things and share ideas. And so thus far, you guys are all really close. I would just say if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.